And the foundation of our Memorandum of Understanding is to enable micro, small enterprises across this country to be able to access financial services for the purposes of transforming their lives and their livelihoods. We would like to encourage Kenyans to know that these MOU support you. The other area of transforming lives and livelihoods, an entrepreneur is somebody who takes a risk, and he or she takes a risk in order to be able to generate value for themselves. And that's why we are very excited that we have come together to accelerate, to energize, and to oxygenate your mandate as a micro, small enterprise authority of Kenya. We are ready to store your money. Many medium, small enterprises need to move their money from the mattress to the banking system. And we have 40,000 agents who can store your money, cash in, cash out. We have open branches across the country to store your money. We are prepared to insure your money for you. Actually, the biggest barrier to borrowing, the biggest fear for a micro, small enterprise is, nikikopa pesa kwa benki, niwe mgonjwa, will I then lose because I'm collateralized? And lastly, we will lend you money, which is perhaps the favorite product for many of us. And we invite you to come to the supermarket. We are an aggregator of financial services, but for the purposes of transforming lives and livelihoods.
That the Equity Bank is extending to our members and the associations across the country. It is a strong message of friendship, a strong message of partnership, a strong commitment that the authority, the bank, and the government in general is focused on creating a strong friendship and extending a hand of partnership to our members. We are signing today to confirm that Equity Bank will build a strong relationship, and I'll be happy that we should look at this as a signing to start a relationship or to strengthen a relationship, not to provide credit. Because credit is just one of the things that will come out of this relationship. Through this partnership, our members across the country will receive a lot of training tailor-made to their respective or sectoral needs across the country. Through this partnership, our members will also be prepared to qualify for credit facilities